What a good time. What a perfect time to go live. Am I live? Hello? Yeah, I am. Nice. Let's see. Let's check the chat. What's up, chat? 2 people. Nice. Let's wait. The stream's not going to start until we have at least 100 bogeys in the chat. Damn, I wish I was that big. That's crazy. That would be pretty cool. All right, let's see. Roy's Army in the house. What's up, Roy's Army? We have Cat. What's up? Look at XRP Doge, please. Okay. Hey, Meow. Despite BTC acting up, these are coins forming solid floors. HBAR. Well, HBAR is just a good solid coin. Man, I wish I'd bought HBAR when it was at 5 cents. Unbelievable. XRP. I wouldn't have bought XRP. SUI and Link. Me and my coworker back in 2020, we had Link, and then we had it at like $1 and $2 when it was first listed on Coinbase, and then we sold it and it hit $50. He had a lot more than me though. The market always dumps when you go live. I know, seriously, what the heck? Yeah, so hold on, let me pull up these coins before I don't pull them up. So we're gonna do XRP. We're gonna do Doge. Let's look at all of your coins too. Even though you said that I'm basically bad luck. XCN. What's up, Monkey Bomb? Can we check Solana and XCN? Yeah. Man, I hate the rain. It's raining outside right now. We have a lot of coins to look at. What's up, Doc Rock? We have a member here for the giveaway. Let's go. So we're not going to start. We're not going to do the giveaway right now. Obviously, we're going to wait until more people come. But just FYI, guys, members are all going to get put in a wheel of names, and we're going to spin it, and then they're going to win 700 million. So Doc Rock was the last winner, so congratulations. And then one of the subscribers is going to, anyone who wanted, who has Gemini, because I'm not going to make it harder for myself. So whoever has Gemini and whoever's a subscriber, or whoever I can send DOGELON Mars to, I'm going to give you guys 300 million. And again, this is just like my appreciation and thank you. Yeah, so that's crazy. Well, what I don't want to see is making that lower low, validating this downtrend, and then just like staying down here. That would be horrible. All right, so we got XRP, Doge, Solana, Onyx Coin, Hadar. Okay, so we got all these coins. I think that's everyone, all of them, right? Oh, SUI and Link. Wait, Kat, did you want me to look at those coins? I could look at those coins because I need content to upload anyway, so. My old thought logic is like if I make $1 on each video I upload, which is not that much, but because I'm not that big, but eventually it will be. If I upload like 100 videos, it's like $100, right? But I mean, 100 videos is a lot to upload, so. SUI. It's just a numbers game for me. Link. Chain link. Okay, so let's take a look at this. XRP is holding up relatively well. Taking a look at XRP on the live stream, I mean, XRP is really holding up very well relative to everything else. Just keep in mind with XRP, I mean, technically from the cycle low to the high, you're still over the 236 at $1.90, and then bullish still over $1.33. So we don't really have anything to worry about. It looks like we did get stuck at this previous high, but from the high to the low, we are still over the 786, and you are looking at, again, right now the target for retesting the high right here at 337 is in play. And then if you really think about it, from this cycle high to the low, my target is around 650. I mean, you have $22 on from the 2018 high, but from this cycle high, the 2021 bull run, you are looking at around 657, which I've been saying for a very long time. So that's what I think. If we're going to hit it, that's great. If not, you don't want to come back up here and get stuck. So 657, and then if it goes to $22, then congratulations. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. How can you win? By just being here. What's up, Halo 82? BTC. So Doc Rock is here. So he's the first one on the. He's the first one. Imagine if you win again. Like, just nobody, like, none of the members come. I have, like, I think I have 20 members or something, right? Yeah. And just waiting for them to come so I can, you know, give back. If you have time to chart, sure, yeah, I have time. I mean, we're just, I'm 5 o'clock, streaming time. It's like my second job, you know? It's like 5 o'clock comes and I'm like, hey, time to stream, time to make videos, time to upload videos, time to edit. And sometimes, like, in the mornings, like at like 6 o'clock, I make a couple of videos just to, like, push it out. Because I'm up anyway, so. When do you think the top of the bull run is? I don't know. Probably sometime this year. Anything concerning you see with Swift? I don't know. Is it over 12? And is it over 209? Because if it is, then no. Yeah, it's over 12. I mean, you could technically go down to 209, which we'll look at Swift. We'll look at Swift too, so that's fine. Quit your day job and just make videos? No. I'm not, I'm not gonna do that. If I didn't like my job, yeah, like, definitely. I mean, if anybody doesn't like their job, they should definitely leave. But I really like my job. I like the people I work with, so there's no way in hell. And plus, I don't even make close enough on YouTube as I do. Maybe one day, like, if I make, like, if I become like a crypto millionaire, or if I actually become a crypto influencer where I can get deals and and grow in that aspect, or, you know, just grow, then yeah, maybe, but definitely not there yet. Maybe in like 5 years, 10 years. That's a goal. No, you know, opening up my gym, that would be nice. If I really want to do that, right? Like, if I really want to open up my own gym, then absolutely. Like, I'm going to have to, because I'm going to give it my all. So, hi. All right, let's take a look at Dogecoin. Taking a look at Dogecoin on the live stream. So, yeah, from the low to the high, we actually broke the 382, so that's not good. Next area of support is 15 on the macro time frame, but we do have support on the shorter time frame. No, we don't. Yeah, so it coincides with 0.5 and the 618 at 15. So, again, the next support for Dogecoin is 15 cents. Now, here's some hopium for you. So from the cycle high to the low, before you ended up going up, you did technically come back down to this 618 retracement, and then basically made a higher high. So that gives, you know, a little bit of hopium to Dogecoin. Not necessarily, I'm not saying it has to come down to the 618, because that would put the price around 11 cents. But again, I mean, this move down was 64% before we went up 5x. So that's a lot, right? You go down, you put in $1,000, it becomes $400, and then it becomes $2,000. That's literally what happened here. And then same thing goes for this move down, right? So you're down here, it's 64% coincidentally again around that, and then theoretically a 5x would put you at, if it 5x's, but $1.20. So breaking the previous high. So anyway, as of right now, unfortunately we broke the 382. The next area of support for Dogecoin is 15 cents. And then given that this is the bottom, the price to beat would be 22 to 25 cents. What that means is it can come back up to this area. However, this area is resistance. So we need to break this. Otherwise, we can still come back down. And if we don't establish a floor here, then obviously 15 cents is the next area of support. So keep in mind, you'd still be maintaining a downtrend, making a lower high if you don't break 25 cents. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and thank you. Thanks for checking, expecting cross market chop range. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. I think we need to look on this on the, like what? Let's see. Are we back? It looks like we're back. No, we're not back. Yeah, let's look at it on the 5-minute. All right, guys, on the 5-minute chart, it looks like we're back. It looks like we're maintaining a nice little uptrend over here. Technically, we still have a little bit more downside at 84,000, but we'll see if that holds. And it looks like you are making lower highs, higher lows. So again, we're waiting for that breakout. So, alrighty. Oops. Taking a look at Solana on the live stream. So, yeah, I mean, the entire market just had a nasty sell-off. But Solana's doing relatively good, actually. Yeah, I mean, you've managed to stay over the 236 at $125 this entire time. So this is pretty good. You know, you legged up, you're consolidating, and you're consolidating over the 236 at 125. So, that's very good for Solana. And then on the macro time frame, it's still macro bullish as long as we hold $74. If we break 74, we're probably going to come back down to 31 or 17. So, just my opinion. And then as long as we're holding that 236, though, I mean, look, that also does coincide with the 76. You are looking at retesting this previous high, and then you're looking at, you're looking at up to $2,250. So, we can go up that high. I don't know, but we do have a target up there, so it's going to go into price discovery, and you just got to do what's best for you and sell at whatever point you think and you feel comfortable at selling. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. XCN, bro. Yes, I have Renzo up right here. So I'm going down the list because a lot of people had coin requests. So Doc Rock, are you still here? Because you're the only member. Is there any other members in here? Are there any other members that would like to participate in the DOGELON MARS 700 million giveaway, which is like almost $80 or $90? No, is it? I don't know, but let's see XN. Taking a look at Onyx Coin on the live stream. Yeah, so Onyx Coin is still over. Yeah, so it's still over the 382 at 2098. So it's still macro bullish as long as we stay over this. And then you're looking at shorter time frame, shorter support. You have support at 11, and then you'll have support at actually where we're at right now at around 13. Oops, hold on. Yeah, so 14, which we have support on. So you have a lot of support all the way up until for it to be macro bearish. Sorry, not macro bearish, until it's until it breaks below a key level of support that it needs to stay over. And then in terms of the upside, as of right now, again, 2 cents 18 is still in play as long as we are over this level at 209. So I know that's a big swing, but that's just what happens in crypto, right? You think about it here. You went down 60% before you went up 300%. So again, these moves up are very common, and obviously, especially with a coin with XCN, you went up like 60x. So, now you're pulling back, and it's around 70% pullback. So whoever bought here, say you bought $1,000, it's worth $300 now. And if it goes back up, your $300 is going to be $3,000. So that's a really big swing. 1,000 to 300 to 3,000. So pretty crazy swings. But anyway, 2 cents 10 and 5 cents 50 are still in play. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Got a couple more to look at. Justin Ortega, what's up, man? Welcome to the live stream. Let's go DOGELON. I love this channel. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're just looking at, let me know what coins you want me to look at. I'm making videos. I'm looking at coins. We're first doing the giveaway for our members. And then after that, the subscribers can enter in to win 300 million DOGELON Mars. So I'm hoping you guys have Gemini. That way I could just send you guys directly from Gemini. So we got a couple people asking for Renzo. So you know what? I'll just do Renzo really quick. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, is it coming back to life? Renzo is 2 cents 80. What the heck? The total locked value. Okay, I'm gonna make a video on this because this is pretty crazy. Taking a look at Renzo on the live stream, a couple of things that I notice is the market cap is 57 million. The fully diluted market cap is 283 million. So it's not that necessarily that far off. But what really grabbed my attention with this is that the total locked value of this coin is 868 million. And relative to a market cap that's 57 million, that means that the valuation of the price does not reflect that. So that means that, again, this is extremely undervalued for how much locked value there is in this coin and how much money is in this coin. Now, saying that, let's take a look at the technical analysis aspect of this coin. So obviously the graph doesn't look too bullish, but it does look like it's making some sort of reversal. You are obviously, you know, maintaining this downtrend. Oops, why didn't I do this one? Yeah, so you're maintaining this downtrend. You're in this downtrend in this channel. And then from the high to the low, just keep in mind you can also come. So first and foremost, bearish under 2 cents 70, which we're attempting to break out right now. You are still stuck in the channel. And then I'd say bullish over 4 cents 30, meaning that, again, you're in this channel, right? It could come up and it could get rejected and you could actually make a lower low and still validate this downtrend. So the price to beat would be 4 cents 30. And if not, as long as it stays over 2 cents 70 and you consolidate and eventually you break out of here and maybe even come down and retest this as support, which we've seen plenty of times, you could get something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then once that breaks, again, res to the moon. But other than that, again, if it does fall below 2 cents 70, then just keep in mind we have support in bearish territory. Support is, you know, you have support at a lot of different levels. I'd say the most important one would be 7 cents 80, or sorry, 1 cent 50, because technically you're still maintaining an uptrend and it is making a higher low. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Yeah, hey, that's a pretty good coin. That has a lot of locked value. I really like coins like that. Another coin that was like that was actually Swift coin. I don't know why it's not showing it anymore, but it did show like total locked value. I think like, you know, I don't know when, but it did have it. I saw it had it and it was locked. Another coin, for example, is Maker. I know they're migrating, but this is also, yeah, the total locked value is 2.9 billion and the market cap is 1 billion. And this is a very solid coin. So, just FYI. Yeah, no, so the 236, I guess you could say that that's support. It just needs to stay over that level. So that's not necessarily support, even though some coins they do use the 236 from the high to the low as support. But as long as it stays over 2 cents 70, then 4 cents 40 is in play. And then once that breaks, then you're gonna get big moves up, and then you have to decide at what point you want to sell. But we'll look at the targets as they go. Hold up, let me become a member right now. Damn, he's trying to become a member right now for the well, if you're a subscriber, you still get, you know, you still have the chance of winning 300 million DOGELON Mars. So I'm paying. Can I enter twice if a member? If no. So it's just like as a member, like it's just member and then subscriber. So I'm gonna ask the subscribers. Obviously, you're gonna. So after I do the member wheel, like you're gonna be like, hey, can you put me into DOGELON Mars giveaway? And then I'll type your name in, and then I'll put you in. So I'm really surprised. I thought I'd get a lot more people, man. I'm not gonna do giveaways anymore. Like I thought I was gonna get a lot more people, but it's okay. Let's finish up these coins, and then let's do the giveaway in 10 minutes. So. Taking a look at Hedara on the live stream. I mean, Hedara is a very solid coin. I say that every single time. And yeah, so I mean, Hedera is holding up relatively well. Look, like, you know, you came down almost to the 382 at 16 to 17 cents, and then you know, we're coming back up. We attempted to break out over the 236, and however, you are making lower highs, but as long as it stays over around the 17-cent mark, then it is still technically very bullish, and then it's very bullish over the 382 anyway at around 10 cents. So again, you have support here and bullish over 10 cents. As of right now, the price to beat is 31 cents, because what you don't want to do is get stuck in this channel or in a downward channel. That's probably going to, you know, it's going to take you all the way back down, and you don't know where the low is. And then we have to look at support for those areas like 10 cents, 17 cents. You do need to break out over 31 cents. And once that breaks, that will invalidate this downtrend. And then you're looking at the previous high as the next target. And that's pretty much it. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and thank you. Yeah, I can't believe nobody's like playing, you know. Nobody's playing the game. You know, nobody wants the free money. Oh, good girl. My cat is next to me. You're paying either way. It's totally fine. I mean, you know, you don't have to, if you want to become a member, that's cool. That'll be awesome. And if not, I mean, you still have a chance of winning 300 million. So, but yeah, you could become a member, and you could, right now, so far, there's only one. So, you know, I'll be spinning it, and, oh yeah, I did 40 seconds on here. So, just to like add the suspense. But no, so the first spin is going to be for members, and because there's only one member in the chat right now, he's going to win like the member portion of the giveaway, and then there's the subscriber portion of the giveaway. So we'll leave that. Obviously, I just did that as a joke. So yeah, let's take a look at SUI, Chainlink, and SwiftCoin, and then let's start doing the giveaway. Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis. Oh, I'm on the live stream. I do my intro videos differently when I'm on the live stream. Hey guys, taking a look at SUI on the live stream. There we go. So yeah, taking a look at SUI on the live stream from the low to the high. We did break below $2.85. So as long as we stay over $1.92, it is still it is still bullish. That is the next area of support. Now we do also have different areas of support too, all the way down to that level. So you got 210, and then you have 252 is still holding, and then you have 252 is a 6182, so that's still valid. So yeah, you have a lot of support, but the biggest one is $1.92. I'd say if $1.92 breaks, then unfortunately we're probably going to break down and have a bigger capitulation down. Now with SUI, from the high to the low, it looks like, because we are still over this previous peak, and you did come close to tagging 560, that is still in play right now. So you know, as long as it stays over this area of support and this key level, then 567 is in play. And then once that breaks, you're looking at SUI up to $26, but we don't know how high it's going to go. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you in the next video. Elon, what's up, Adam? How are you? Wait, how do I become a member? I want to join right now. You have to go on my channel, and then you have to like become a member. You have to, yeah, you have to go to, I don't know how to do it, but you have to go to my channel and then like click on like about or something, I don't know, and then you like join membership. Taking a look at Chainlink on the live stream. So yeah, Chainlink's holding up relatively well again. So from the low to the high, we are over the 382 at $15. Yeah, $15. So that is bullish. Just keep in mind, we do also have. Do we have support elsewhere? No. Yeah. So Chainlink doesn't have any other support. The next support would have been $12.40, which we almost tagged. and then technically you'd still be making a higher low and you'd be maintaining this uptrend. In terms of the targets on the upside, just keep in mind, as of right now, $21 is still in play as long as $15 hold. Once that breaks, what we don't want to see is it come up here and get rejected because you'd be validating this downtrend. So it does need to break 21 to 32. And then once it double tops and it breaks out, then you're looking at retesting the previous high. And then from there, price discovery mode. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. All is the end. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. How does MOG look? Will it go back up? Thank you. Well, nobody knows if it's going to go back up, but MOG did just get listed on Coinbase. So taking a look at MOG on the live stream. Let's see. Is it still holding? Yeah, from the low to the high. Yeah, it's still holding. Is that 6 zeros? Yeah, that is 6 zeros. So it's still over 603. So that is still macro bullish. Or sorry, that is still a very key level of support. And then you can see we have support here at 6.044, which we've managed to establish a floor over. Now, if it goes lower again, this absolutely needs to hold at 6.08. Sorry, 6.03. Now, it can get a bounce, and we have resistance at 6.075 to 5.01. What we don't want to see is MOG coming up and breaking down, again, making a lower low, because you'd be validating this downtrend. We need to break over 5.01, and once we break that, we can invalidate this downtrend that's forming. Technically, you can keep moving it and saying it's a downtrend, but at some point, you know, you do have to look at this and say, yeah, so 5.01 needs to break, and it's breaking out of this downtrend, because usually that's what happens. You had 382 retracement and a breakdown, or even a 618 retracement, but we'll talk about that when it does get over 5.01. And with that being said, that's pretty much it. MOG is 200 million, and it peaked at 1.5 billion, so it is a little bit, it's like 7x down from its high. Yeah, so it's like around 88% down from its high. So I don't know how much lower it can go. Even if you get put in the box, that's around 90% of a retracement. Keep in mind, MOG had a monster run though before it got listed on Coinbase. So I mean, look, like it did 30,000%. So this is not uncommon for a coin to have a 90% retracement. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and thank you. Alrighty, thank you so much for the 2. Do I think it's going to go up? I think it just got listed on Coinbase, and I highly doubt they're going to let it go to 0. So let me try. I'm trying to find a link where, but all I find is your X. Yeah, that's so weird. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, so you go on my channel, and then you hit membership. And then it says, like, become a member. Yeah, so you go on my channel, and then you hit membership, and then you hit become a member. Can you look at Toshi? Yes, I can. Let's look at SwiftCoin. Let's look at Toshi and then Aura. Aura. Is it Aura Finance? I'm assuming it's Aura Finance, but just let me know in the chat if it's not. SwiftCoin. Taking a look at SwiftCoin on the live stream. Yeah, so SwiftCoin, I mean, it's holding key levels right now. And that's just what happens when you get a coin go up. Like, it went up literally 65x, right? So now you're having some sort of retracement, and the retracement is taking you down 74%. Keep in mind, last time when we were here, the sentiment was the same. and the percent was also the same, 73%. So we're not that far off from the last time that we had a big capitulation down. So just keep that in mind. There's some hopium. Also keep in mind that we have key support over 209. So it's still bullish in my opinion. And then we have support. Yeah, so the next area of support is 1 cent. And then in terms of like the shorter term, I think it's 1 cent 20, right? Yeah, so 1 cent 20, which we're actually on right now. So again, it's not too crazy. You know, that is a really big drop, and that's unfortunate if you guys bought the top. But this drop also did kind of push down the RSI. Because look, we were overbought. We were talking about this entire time where you're just like making higher highs across the board, and you're maintaining this channel, and you're maintaining higher lows, right? So my target at 8 cents 50, as long as this box holds, is still valid. So that's my target, around 8 cents. What is it? Around like 8 cents. I can't draw it every single like the same every single time. So yeah, it's around 8 cents. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and thank you. Let's see. Hello. I guess the reason for the drop is Trump signing the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve executive order, but it didn't give any specific on other coins, and it didn't say the government was buying Bitcoin, only keeping the stuff they already seized. How's that bearish though? I don't get it. Like, it's still money. Like, it's more, it's like, there's no way they don't have it, or there's no way that like it's just being dumped constantly. So I'm not buying it. But we're back. That's a good part. We're back. Look, we are officially back. So hopefully they will announce more coins or tokens to be added tomorrow at the crypto meeting. I think it was algos trading off tonight. I can't find member link. What the heck? Are you on your phone? Here, let me see. Let me see if I can do it. Give me a second. I'm like too committed. Give me a second. Okay, let me first do Toshi and then Aura, and then I'll do it. Hey Matthew, Matthew drop code. You wanna we have a DOGELON Mars giveaway for the members. So far there's one member. Do you have Gemini, or do you have somewhere I could send you DOGELON Mars if you win? And would you like to participate in the DOGELON Mars giveaway? You're a member and you're here, so. And then, can you tell the other guy how to become a member, or anyone who's a member? Because I don't know why he's not finding the link, or why he's not finding the thing. Let me see. Let me do it on my phone. Give me a second. I should probably just have a link then, like in my bio, that says, no, there is one. It says become a member. So I think I have one on my videos. So if you click on any one of my videos, yeah, if you click on any one of my uploaded videos, and then you go to the description of the video, it says you can now be, oh wait, never mind, it doesn't give you a link. Yeah, join this channel. Yeah, it says join this channel to get an additional perk. Hold on, let me see. He's trying to give me $5, so I gotta stop the stream, guys. Give me a second. Let's see. Alright, let me watch this. Okay, so like, alright, how do I become a member? So more. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, yeah. So on the live stream, you see where it says like description. So like on the bottom, you see like Bitcoin, Altcoin, Cryptocurrency Review, live stream, DOGECOIN, SHIBA INU. Hit more, and then it says join the channel to get access to perks. And then you have that link where it says like the YouTube symbol / Cryptomia analysis. Click that, and then if you have an iPhone, you just hit Safari, and then it says it should take you to join the channel. So there you go. I had to check for myself, so next time somebody asks, I could tell them how to do it. All right, let's check the chat, and then let's look at let's do the giveaway. Well, hold on, we gotta do Toshi, Aura, and then we'll do the giveaway, and then we'll look at anybody else's coins. Yes, I have Gemini. Perfect. Matthew Jopko's in the race. I still can't tell. Is it gonna be hard? Is it gonna run hard, or what? LOL. I wish it would. I have a lot of on-chain coins that need some relief too. Yeah, and especially like with some coins, like for example my coin. Like my coin never got a recovery bounce, right? So my coin really never ended up going up. I did, don't get me wrong, I think you guys, if you guys were here, I did definitely sell and take profits, which I'm pretty happy. I was really happy about. But it sucks because like the other amounts, it's like, ooh, like it just went all the way back down. So it's just kind of annoying that, again, you have a coin like this that hasn't run yet, and you're just waiting for it to go up, unfortunately. So. Oh, I wanted to become a member because I wanted to give that guy a run for a con. I mean, technically, there are only 2 people. But yeah, no, it's totally fine. You don't have to become a member. You're still in the race for the 300 million. So that's pretty good. All right, let's look at Toshi, Aura, and then we're going to do the giveaway. Oh my gosh, thanks for all. We have another member. Hey, Ken, welcome to the live stream. So I'm assuming you're here for the DOGELON Mars giveaway, right? So let me type in your name. Do you have Gemini where I can just send you DOGELON Mars? I'm going to add you, but let me know if you don't want to be added to the 700 million giveaway. I'm assuming it's a yes, but let me know. Taking a look at Toshi on the live stream. So let's take a look at it, see where it's at. Yeah, so with Toshi, I mean, technically, is this so bullish? Yeah, so we broke below the, yeah, unfortunately, it's dropping pretty hard. So the next area of support for Toshi is 3026, which is, I think, where Coinbase listed it, okay? Now, from this high to the low, technically, we made a higher high, so I really have to draw my fifth differently. However, we will use this. So from the high to the low, given that that is a floor forming, you do need to break over 307 to 3054. This is resistance. So if we do consolidate a little bit and we come back up, just remember that this target needs to break. Otherwise, you are going to come back down and validate this downtrend that's forming. What you don't want to see is lower highs and lower lows. Because we don't know how low it's going to go before you get that reversal. So in some cases, like in this case, you never got that. But you were making higher lows across the board on the macro time frame. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. We do need to establish a floor. 3026 is the next area of support. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Aura Finance. Let's see. Aura Finance 2093. That's not the right one. Aura Finance 62. Nope, that's not the right one. $0.23. And the high was $6. Dang. No, the high was $2. Yeah, I'm having a hard time finding this this chart. So we're gonna give it one more chance. 22 cents. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't find it. I don't think. Yeah, it's because it's not really on anywhere either, so I can't find the chart. I'm sorry for that. All right, so let's see. All right, so we're going to do the DOGELON Mars giveaway. So, congratulations to the 3 members. The only 3 members. I'm very surprised. Out of all the members we have, there's only 3 of them that wanted to take advantage of this DOGELON Mars giveaway. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel, and the winner is going to get 700 million DOGELON Mars coins. Let's shuffle it up a bit. Shuffle it up, shuffle it up, shuffle it up. And we're just going to spin it. So let's do it. Bam. So this is it, guys. This is for 700 million DOGELON Mars tokens. Oh, no way. Is it going to be Doc Rock again? Wow. Or is it going to be Ken? Oh, it's Ken. Wow. Congratulations, Ken. You took it away from the Doc Rock 100. So the Doc Rock 100 won 1 billion coins last time. And this time, Ken won 700 million DOGELON Mars coins. So congratulations, Ken. Just go on one of my DOGELON Mars videos and just put in your wallet. So I'll know it's you because you have the badge and you're a member. Put in go to Gemini and just copy and paste the wallet, like the receive. So I don't know if you've ever received it, but when you go to Gemini, you hit receive. So I mean, let me see if I can show you on mine. And then you just copy that okay, so like on Gemini you hit receive, right? And then you search DOGELON Mars. So when you hit receive Elon, hit I understand, and then you see this address, hit copy, and then paste that on one of my DOGELON Mars videos, and then I will get that over to you. I'll get that over to you right now. So, and then for anyone else, the 300 million DOGELON Mars, to enter, you must have a wallet for me to send it to, and then yeah, you have to want DOGELON Mars, obviously. So, yeah. So, what I'm assuming Justin Ortega, of course, he wants to be entered. Justin Ortega, can you just confirm, like, make sure, like, you have somewhere I could send the DOGELON Mars to, right? And then who else wants to be entered into the DOGELON Mars giveaway? Let me get rid of this. Let's look at Bitcoin's having a nice little reversal. Yeah, so technically we made a higher low on the 5-minute chart. Justin, so far we only have one contender, Justin Ortega. And then Ken again. Well, yeah, I already put your name on there. He's like me. Yeah, your name's already on there. Anyone else wants to does anybody else want, that has Gemini or, a way for me to get you the DOGELON Mars? Does anybody else want to enter for 300 million, which is what, like $45, I think? Well, you're a member, so members can't double dip. Because that's why your payout was more. But I guess you lost, right? So you know what? I will do that because that just makes the most sense. Matthew, and then I'll put in the Doc Rock too because he lost too. Doc Rock, are you still here? But that kind of like tilts it though because it's like then it's like only 3 people. Man, nobody else wants to enter this giveaway? Do people think I'm a scammer or something? Like, how am I going to scam you if you guys are posting your received wallet? Hi. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's nice, going up. And then, Ken, just let me know when you do it. Yeah, I think that is... Yeah, I think that is kind of double dippy. So you know what? I'm just gonna I'm gonna delete that because even though the payout was more, it's like I want to make it so it's fair, where it's like at least the subscribers are also have a way to participate, and then the members, obviously that was more than twice as much money as it was just the subscribers. So yeah, and actually Justin Ortega asked that too, where he said, if I become a member, do I get 2 chances? And I said no. So now I can't go back on it. So I'm sorry. I'm always learning, you know. I'm always learning with these new giveaways, like the technicalities, because, you know, we're all learning. So Justin Ortega, you are the single contender right now. I'll give it another 2 minutes. So I will give it until my time shows 5:48. Does Phantom on Base wallet work? Dude, I have no idea. Let me Google this. Is it ERC20? So if you go on your Phantom or Base wallet and then you hit receive and then you hit receive DOGELON Mars, does it say, like, does it give you that error, not the error, but the warning where it says, oh, just send ERC20 to this wallet? Because if you have Uniswap, that works too, I think. That's funny. See, this is why I want to become a member. Wise man indeed. Ah, the wise. Don't worry, we will have another. I have Coinbase wallet too. Well, so far you're the only one that's entered. So, Cat might be the other entry, but Cat, let me know if you go in there and you hit receive DOGELON Mars. Does it say ERC20 only? Because if it does, then, and if it's like on the Ethereum network, then you can. Justin Ortega, do you have Gemini or no? Because it looks like. Yeah, I'm trying to give away like $45 of DOGELON Mars, and nobody wants to take it. Like, that's crazy. I'm not going to be able to do this if, like, in a year or 2 years when, like, my channel grows, and then we're going to look back and be like, hey, remember when we did the DOGELON Mars giveaways? What's the fear and greed at? Oh, it's going up. Okay. I wonder if Ken... I wonder if Ken... also, yeah, I wonder if Ken posted his wallet so I could send it to him right now. Yo, Ken, did you post your wallet? No, he didn't yet. Can I copy it? Hold on. No, I can't copy and paste from the wallet. Or, sorry, I can't copy and paste from the chat. So, can you just go on go on my last live stream and just type it in? Not type it in, like, copy and paste it, obviously. You can't post it in the chat. Wait, can you leave a comment on this video? No, you can't. Damn. Yeah, just if you could go to any one of the Sean G. Do you have a Gemini, or do you have like somewhere I could send DOGELON Mars to? Yeah, Ken, I want to get you this on stream, just so you know you can get it and you can confirm that you got it. I don't know, does Phantom allow ERC20 tokens to be sent? As long as you know you could receive DOGELON Mars on Phantom, I don't see why not. So Kat, do you want to enter anyway? Yeah, just can copy and paste it into any one of my videos, and I'm going to go on my phone right now and send it to you. Oh, you know what? We have to do videos on PNG and ABT. I'm all new to this. I'm not sure. So go to your Phantom, and do you have DOGELON Mars on Phantom? I don't even think it's on Phantom, but do you have DOGELON Mars on Phantom? And if you do, can you hit receive? Like, can you actually have a wallet? Like, can you hit receive DOGELON Mars on there? Here, by the time Ken gets back and posts it, we'll do Pangolin and ABT. So, taking a look at ARC block on the live stream, ABT. So, unfortunately, we did break below 90 cents, which I think was a very key level. Yeah, it was a very key level. So we broke 91 cents, and now we came down, and then we're getting a bounce. But the problem is we're in this downtrend, and we validated this downtrend. We're under support. The next area of support on the macro time frame for ABT is around 55 cents. And then, I mean, that's pretty much it. We don't know how low it's going to go. Just keep in mind that if we do get some sort of reversal right now, the price does need to break $1.09 to $1.45, because what can happen is we can come back up to these levels and come back down, and then that will validate this downtrend that's forming. So price to be would be $1.45, and hopefully we'll invalidate that bounce from the channel and then start going back up to the previous high. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Taking a look at Pangolin on the live stream. So with Pangolin, let's see. Yeah, with Pangolin, from the high to the low, we are still over 11 cents. So it is still bullish in my opinion. From the low to the high, we did break below 15 cents 90, and now we're coming and retested as resistance. So I'd say if it doesn't get back over 15 cents, 11 cents might be in play. Now keep in mind, if we did establish a bottom here, what can happen is you can come back up on the shorter time frame. You can come back up from 18 to 21 cents and still be bearish because you're making a lower high. So what you don't want to see is a Pangolin having a nice little pump, everyone getting excited, and then coming back down and making that lower low and validating this downtrend because you're making a lower high anyway. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. All right, let's see. Ken just copy and pasted it. Let's get this money to Ken, and then let's do... Which one did you copy and paste it to? What's up, Cyber Kurd? How are you? How's BTC looking? I mean, better, like, you caught it when I started my live stream and it was at 84,000, and everyone says I always start my live streams and they're so bearish. DOGELON Mars video from 1 day ago. I wonder why it didn't like give me that. Give me a second. Let me see. Oh, you know what? It probably hides it. Damn, hold on. Give me a second. Damn it. Okay, hey, do you have a Discord? Oh, damn. Yeah, YouTube apparently hides it. That's why I don't see it. And I remember that's like... That's what happened last time. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Let me see something. Yeah, so Sean, you're gonna have to have a receive function. So if it doesn't give you the option to receive, then yeah. How do we private message? Like, let me see. Oh, can you send it to me on X or Instagram? There we go. Yeah, can you send me your wallet on X or Instagram? So if you on my website, or sorry, on my YouTube, it'll give you my X or my Instagram. Just go into messages and send it to me in a message. There we go. Yeah, so unfortunately, Sean G doesn't have a receive option on Phantom, so you can't receive it on Phantom, unfortunately. What's up, CyberCurd? Let me know what coins you would like me to look out for you, CyberCurd. Yeah, hopefully. I mean, look at BTC dominance, guys. Look how crazy this is. Dude, look at this. BTC dominance hasn't even dropped yet. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for. Not that necessarily it's going to make a lower low. That would be pretty crazy. But last time was here. Last time was here. Have you heard of Texit coin? No. This looks like a huge gamble play, though. No, because it can't be. Gearhead, it can't be. Look. I mean, during this entire bull run, when has it actually dropped? Look, let me show you. We just haven't seen it. And it's because it hasn't dropped. So, look, during this entire bull run, when has it actually capitulated? Right? We just haven't seen it in 3 years now. Yeah, be careful with this coin. It's on Bitmart. As long as you go into your wallet, and if you have a receive function, then you could probably get it. But if you don't have a receive option on DOGELON Mars, then you can't get it. Yeah, so there's really... Yeah, so there's not a lot of TA I can do on this on a coin like this, unfortunately. So, yeah, there's like really little I can do. Justin Ortega, are you still here? Oh, I gotta get some water. I already looked at res, right? Yeah, it's kind of like PiCoin, right? I know PiCoin does that, where you can mine it from your phone. What's up, Roberto? How are you? Job seek. Yeah. And then you want GemX BT. GemX BT on Solana. Can you confirm? And then ASM for John. Taking a look at ASM on the live stream. So making an update video. I don't think anything has actually changed from the last time that we looked at it. So from the high to the low. Yeah, so we are still stuck in macro resistance, right? So bearish under 2 cents 10, bullish over 4 cents. We still haven't broken out either way. In terms of support, on the shorter time frame, you have support at 2.5 cents, and then on the macro time frame, we still have support. Oh wait, it still matches 2.5 cents, which is what we said last time. So again, if it does come down, 2.5 cents is support. Other than that, 2 cents 10 absolutely needs to break. And once 4 cents breaks, hopefully we blast up one out of here and we can start looking at the targets on the upside. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. I am good. Just same old, you know, just doing the same thing. We've been live for about an hour, so. My name for DOGELON, please. Oh, okay. So John, you didn't get to enter the 700 million because you weren't here. But I guess, yeah, I guess I can do that because technically you weren't here for it. So I will enter you for, I will enter whoever wasn't entered in the 700 million giveaway. So I think that's fair. Oh, Ken followed me. Nice. Okay. Oh, he just made an Instagram too. Let's see. Yeah, but I gotta make sure this is like the right guy because, you know, he has 0 followers and everything. My name for DOGELON, please. Roberto, oh, hey, John, do you have Gemini or do you have a wallet that I can get you the 300 million DOGELON to? Yo, Meow, can you look at PNG? So I did PNG. I'll do ABT, Moonwell, Turbo, and LCX. Yeah. I'll take a look at all that for you. But we gotta look at JobSeek right now. Yeah, so let me pull it up. And then you said GemX. Roberto, can you confirm, like, can you let me know which one? Because I don't even see that. In the meantime, let's pull up all these and then we'll look at JobSeek. So we did we did PNG, which I'll post a video on after and you could check it out. Moonwell, which we actually just looked at yesterday. Turbo and LCX. And we just did ASM. Okay. Ken, that's you, right? You gotta send me a message. Did you send me a message? You gotta copy and paste your Oh, yeah, I saw that one. Okay. So this one, right. So we actually looked at this. Yeah. Okay. So taking a look at Gem XBT. So nothing has actually changed from the last time that we looked at this. We said it did need to establish a floor, which it did. And we said that it needed to break the 382 at 2018. Otherwise, it is bearish and it's going to come back down. And unfortunately, although we did get this nice move up, we didn't break over it. So that's not good. As of right now, it does need to establish a floor over 306. And as long as it maintains that, then again, once we break 18, then it should send you flying back up. This is a very small market cap, so it is, high risk, high reward. It is a gamble play, in my opinion. It does have relatively okay lock liquidity to market cap ratio. But again, you could just get lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and you can validate this downtrend and go to zero. So that's also in play. 3064, it needs to stay over, and it needs to break. It needs to absolutely break this area of resistance. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. JobSeek, 1.45 million. So the price is 1.5. Yeah, okay, so this is the right one. Let's see, XCN. I just did XCN. So I'll post a video after this. Justin Ortega, you're here. Yeah, I'm still waiting for everyone else to enter. A lot of people are. So Kat says, I can receive DOGELON on base. Can I just drop my receive wallet in the address? If so, count me in. Can you just follow me on Instagram or X and then send it to me in a message on there? Because I can't copy and paste from my, you can't copy and paste messages from your messages on here. So, Sean G, yeah, I mean, are you here just because you're trying to get everybody to start doing Texitcoin? I don't know if that's a bot or not. So, let me look for, okay, there we go. So you sent it to me. Got it. Oh, damn, you sent it to me in a... Okay, hold on. Let me retest. Let me repaste it and then delete everything else. Hold on, guys. I'm giving Ken his 700 million DOGELON Mars. Congratulations. Copy. Elon. 700. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's $105, dude. Let's go. Oh, what the hell? It's taking it out of that. Damn, the fees, 995 million. So you're gonna get 605 million. Wait, now it's, what the hell? Sorry guys, give me a second. I'm really trying to send this DOGELON Mars. Okay, send. Elon. $605 million, that's $90 and blah blah blah. Paste. I still want to proceed. Okay. All right, Ken, it should head to you. So, can you, yeah, oh yeah, I need to look at Zebic too. So, Ken, can you just confirm you got it? It's like around 605,000 million, thousand, imagine. And then, yeah, so John, are you still here? Well, Justin, I'm about to spend it. It's just you two. Have you heard anything about bot burn? No, I haven't. Is that a coin? So, John, once John confirms, I'm going to spin the wheel. So, in the meantime, let's look at JobSeek. Taking a look at JobSeek, making an update video on JobSeek from the low to the high. On the daily, I mean, this coin is very new, relatively new. Well, we are over the 382, which we had a nice wick at, and we got a buyback. We are technically very bullish right now because we're over 1 cent 30. In terms of the targets right now, we are over the 382 from this high to the low. So I'd say once we break the previous high, you're looking at JobSeek up to 23 cents, which as of today is around a 15x. Again, this is a huge gamble play. If any of these levels break, then we're probably going to come back down. And at that point on the shorter time frame, I would say 2017 needs to hold because technically it'll still maintain market structure and you'd be making a higher low. So, however, we're not really worried about that because it's doing relatively good, but because it's a very small market cap, then, you know, anything can happen. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Alrighty, John, are you still here? And then Ken, I sent it, so... Oh, DOGELON Mars bot burn? Yeah, so it's like the one... it's when Metaverse. It's when the Metaverse comes out. They're going to do... like, it's just going to constantly be burning. And just think about it, because with SHIBA swap... Oh, Doc Rock, you didn't win, unfortunately. So, Ken won the 700 million. And then for the 300 million, it's going to be either Justin Ortega or John. But I'm just waiting for John to respond. Because John hasn't responded yet. And if John doesn't respond, then Justin Ortega is just going to take it. You're welcome, Roberto. Good luck. And welcome. I mean, yeah, good luck. I really hope you make it. So yeah, we'll look at arc block. Wait. I thought I won the first spin. No. Oh, that was just you. I was you were the only name on there. There were 3 people on the spin. It was you, Ken and the third person. I don't know what, I forget which one. Was it John? No, it wasn't John, because he wouldn't be able to do it again. No, there was 3 people for the member spin, and then right now there's only 2, but John's not responding, so I might just give it to Justin Ortega. Okay, we could do these videos. Did we already do Arc Block? No, we didn't. Wait, did we do Arc Block? I thought we just did Arc Block. Yeah, I think we just did we already did Arc Block, so I'm gonna post an update video on that. We'll do Moonwell, Turbo, LCX, Zebic, which actually is, yeah, no, we'll do Zebic too. Yeah, so we'll do these 4, and then if John doesn't respond by the time you come back, Justin, you won the 300 million. Congratulations. Taking a look at Moonwell on the live stream. So yeah, so nothing has changed from the last video. You're maintaining an uptrend. The next major area of support is 1 cent 70, but you could see that, I mean, technically you have support where we're at right now, and 1 cent 70 is the 618, and then from the low to the high, 1 cent 70 is also the 786. So again, very, very, very key level of support is around this area, the 0.5, around 1 cent 70. So So as of right now, given that we establish a floor, the same thing that can happen that's happened every single time where you get a wick, but we are making lower highs and lower lows across the board. It does need to break 4 cents 10, because if it doesn't, then technically you're making a lower high and it's still validating this downtrend. So it does need to break this, and otherwise you are going to be making lower highs and lower lows and validate this downtrend that we're in. Now, we were in one last time too before we broke out. So again, I'm hoping once we break this area, it'll take us and shoot us to a higher high like we have been making. But that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and thank you. Taking a look at Turbo on the live stream. So yeah, Turbo had a massive sell-off, but I mean, so did everything else. From the low to the high, the next big area of support is 2018 for Turbo. And then on the shorter time frame, we do also have support where we're at right now, 2.5 and 220. So we have a lot of support on the way down. Given that it does come back up, the price to beat would be the 236 at 2036 to 2048. So it could come back up to this level and still come back down and make a lower low. The price to beat would be 2048, and once that breaks, I'd say little to no resistance to the 618 at around 2074. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Taking a look at LCX, so on the live stream. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, we could just do Coinbase because this has the high. So LCX isn't doing that bad from the high to the low. As of right now, 20 cents is in play. And then you're looking at retesting the 786, which we've gotten stuck at twice. So hopefully third time's the charm and we actually get back over 68 cents. Sorry. Yeah, 68, 70 cents. Now, in terms of support, I mean, you've been making a higher low across this entire bull run. And you are over the 382 at 14 cents support. That's very crucial. So even if it comes down 14 cents, you are still maintaining this uptrend. And on the shorter time frame, you have support at, yeah, so you have support here at the 786. So I'd say 11 cents, worst case scenario. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. Alrighty, guys. So yeah, so Justin, go ahead and go to my Instagram or my X and send me your wallet, and then just confirm that you got it. And then Ken, can you just confirm that you got the DOGELON Mars? Is Ken still here? Ken, it does sometimes take a minute or two, but I'm hoping that you got your DOGELON Mars. And then NCT dropped. Oh, I guess I gotta look at NCT too, huh? It's another good coin to look at. Taking a look at Polyswarm NCT on the live stream. So, I mean, NCT is doing relatively well to all the other coins that are out there. You're up a lot right now. You are over 2 cents 10, which we said was very crucial. You need to stay over this level for it to be macro bullish. And then, yeah, so that is support. Sorry, that's not support. That's just macro bullish. We need to get back over 3 cents 70. And I think that's also the 236382, right? Yeah. So it's here and here. So just keep in mind, we can come back up to these levels and still get rejected. So the price to beat would be 4 cents 10. Otherwise, you're going to be making a lower high and coming back down. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And thank you. Taking a look at Zebic Network on the live stream. So nothing has actually changed from the last time that we looked at Zebic Network. We are still holding up relatively well from the low to the high. You can see we are under the 382. However, we are over the 382 from the high to the low, so it is still macro bullish. In terms of support, macro support would be the 0.5 here at 2012, and then shorter term support would be 2012. So that is crucial, and it is relatively close to the 0.5 anyway for the next area of support. And that's pretty much it. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and thank you. I need water. Give me a second. Justin. Oh my God, he finally, I guess, yeah, I mean, I'm going to have to, John's not even here, so unfortunately I have to spin it without John. So Justin Ortega, you won. So send me your wallet on X or Instagram, and then I will send it to you. Yeah, Ken, I'm not gonna get off until you get it. So. Oh my God. It's okay. Good girl. I love you. Oh, my kitty. Oh my God. Justin Ortega. We are waiting for you. And can you just confirm where you're sending me your wallet? And then yeah, I mean, we could take a look at BTC again. Thank you, Sean G. It's great info. Thanks. You are absolutely welcome. That's a nasty wick, though. Look at that. That's horrible. What would be unfortunate is if we actually come back down here and then we make a lower low. Or, sorry, we make a lower low and we stay oversold. So it happens. It even happened last cycle, right? Here. Where you were oversold here. And then you were oversold here and you're making a lower low. So you had all this opportunity to sell, but I mean, let's be real, are you actually going to sell? Because we all think oh no, it's just going to magically keep going up, and it didn't. It went down. So All right, so I guess I mean, dang, John, are you not here? Or not John? Justin Ortega, do you want to? Are you here? Are you here? Are you not here? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Doc Rock. But, you know, unfortunately, like, there was just, like, very minimal participation. So I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I might do something different as, like, some sort, like, a something different, basically. Because, yeah, nobody wanted free money. So, I mean, I'm glad. Ken, are you still waiting for the, DOGELON Mars? Can you check your account again to see if you got it? I'm not going to get off the live stream until you get it. So, and then Justin Ortega just completely disappeared. Ken, can you like check your email and make sure like there is no holds or anything? Yeah, look, let me show you. Let me show you. Where's my history? Oh, transaction history. There we go. Oh, it doesn't show sends. Yeah, Justin Ortega, congratulations, you won. Like nobody, John's not here, so it's just you. So there's no point in spinning it. So yeah, Justin, you won the 300 million. So can you just message me on Instagram or X? Can you send me your wallet for Dogelon and then I'll send it to you. Ken, you got it. Yay. Let's go. It should be around like 605. It should be 605 million because it was like 95 or however much. I don't even know how much it charged me in fees, but it was a ridiculous amount. Yeah, Justin Ortega, you won. So send me your wallet. I just sent Ken his, and I'm gonna send you your portion right now. So, and I'll wait until you actually get it. And then, can I confirm the upward target for Res? Yeah. So we already looked at it, and I'm gonna post a video after we get off on the live stream. But if you want me, I'll look at it for you right now. As of right now, because we're over the 236, right? So we're no longer, the price is no longer bearish, and it looks like it's attempting to break out. So the next target is 4 cents 30. So if you watch my video after I post it, you'll see it's the same target. So nothing has actually changed. So 4 cents 30 is the next target, but just keep in mind we can get stuck here and come back down and even make a lower low and validate this downtrend that we're in. Okay, so just don't get overly bullish, because again, we can come up here and still basically come down. We come up here and get rejected and come down and make a lower low. So again, the price to beat would be 4 cents 30. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And then once that breaks, clearly, I mean, it's probably gonna go to either the 0.5 or 618. So 6 cents 20 or 8 cents 90, which as of today is going to be 117 to around 200% pump. So Kat says, you sent your address up in the chat. What chat? Did you send it to me? And congratulations, Ken. Thank you so much for participating. I just sent my address up in the chat. I can't see it in the chat. YouTube blocks it out. What chat did you send it to? Did you send it to Instagram or X? Hoping BTC doesn't form a downtrend. If we can reclaim 91K, that would be a good start. But 95K, yeah, it's 95K. Really needs to get reclaimed to build a strong bull structure. Yeah, I know. Vision says that it's 97K, and I'm like, wait, how? Like, what am I doing wrong, right? Because I show 95K, right? Oh, that's where he gets 97K. It's a 618, because like what he's saying is it could come up and it could still get rejected and do a 618 retracement and invalidate this downtrend. Okay. I see what he's saying. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I still think like 140 is in play. Oh my gosh, hold on. My cat needs attention. Give me a second. Hey. This is my baby. There you go. Don't step on stuff. I sent my address in the chat. Yeah, you got to tell me, Justin Ortega, you got to tell me what chat, please. So I don't check every single... Oh, there we go. Okay, I see you just followed me on X. Yeah, I see you followed me on X, but can you confirm? Like, can you send me your wallet address and confirm? Oh, I think he's finding his wallet address. Justin Ortega, did you just follow me on X? Because if so, then I'm gonna call it a live stream. But I will send it to you. I mean, obviously, I sent it to Ken and he got it. So I'll message you in X and I'll just confirm when you actually get it. So do you wanna just let me know if you? Yeah, see you later, Kat. And I don't know why Justin Ortega isn't talking back, but maybe he's making a Gemini account or something. But, you know, we'll go ahead and send that 300 over to him, the 300 million, which is like, yeah. So congratulations. Thank you all you guys for participating. I don't think I'm going to do another giveaway. I think it's just a little bit complicated and you just, it just takes too long to get everybody like on the same page. So I just think, yeah, I just think that it'll be easier if I do something else. I think Justin Ortega just added me on Instagram and X. So give me a second. Let me just see. And then if anybody has any questions or wants me to look at any coins, let me know. All the coins that we looked at on this is going to be posted as individual videos. Your Phantom Ethereum address is that. Okay, yeah, but is that your DOGELON Mars? Because if I send DOGELON Mars to that, are you going to get it? All right. Yeah, that's it. Have a great night. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And this is all just for entertainment purposes. Thank you so much for all the super chats, all the memberships, all the people who participated. Again, next stream is going to be more like, you know, just coins and stuff and not so much the giveaway. But we did look at a good amount and a good chunk of coins. And again, all the update videos are going to be posted after I get off and after I edit everything. So have a great night, and I'll catch you guys all in the next live stream. It'll be on Thursday, same time after work, 5 p.m. Have a great night and have a great week.